Improving your video quality on Netflix is straightforward, and here is a tip guide on how to fix that. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix quality in Netflix. So if you want to fix your quality videos, or you want to have a better or good quality videos in Netflix, here is a quick guide on how to do that. The first thing you have to do is open your browser and go to Netflix, enter your email and your password to sign in. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account from the drop down menu. Under the profile and parental control section, click on the profile you want to manage, then choose data usage settings. Now click on change next to payback settings. Now choose the desired data usage settings of your choice. So under this data usage settings, you're going to have this list of the low quality, the medium, which is the standard video quality, and you also have the high, which is the best quality, and also we also have the auto, which adjusts itself automatically to deliver the highest position possible quality based on your current internet connection. So if I were you, I would definitely go for the auto, which currently adjusts itself to the highest possible quality based on your data internet connection, because this actually works best. This figure a way how to maximize its running based on your internet connection. So once you figure out the one you want, if it is the high, if it is the medium, if it is the low, just go for any one of them, and by checking the box, once you check in, then you tap on save changes, or you click on save changes, then this new settings will apply itself immediately, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and subscribe for more. Thank you.